Toy Monkey.
Porodo and his forklift truck has brought something for us. It's a blue squeeze ball. Blue, purple, blue, purple, purple, blue, purple, blue, purple. Let's put it in the microwave and see what happens. What's this? It's a grape. What color is the grape? Purple. For now, let's store it on the dish. Another delivery. What do we have here? Inside of this box, we have a green squeeze ball. Green, 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 green. What's that? It's a watermelon. Watermelons are green on the outside and red on the inside. When you cut it in half, the part that's tasty is red flesh inside. When you eat a watermelon, you don't want to eat the seeds. So let's take them out. Also, let's peel away the rind, which is a green outer layer. Now, it's time to make an ice cream out of the watermelon and grape. Let's divide the Play-Doh into 4 chunks. Now we lay down each chunk sparsely. Now, same goes for the grape Play-Doh. Divide into 4, then fill in the empty spots. And we need an ice cream stick. Squeeze! Ta-da! Watermelon grape ice cream! It turned out so well. Tayo says, "Can I have some ice cream, please?" Delicious! Porodo brought yellow squeeze ball this time. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Here we have a bunch of bananas. Do you like bananas? What have you got there for us, Porodo? Red squeeze ball. Red, pink, red, pink, red, pink, pink. Let's see what kind of fruit the red squeeze ball will turn into. Yay! It's a strawberry! Time to make another ice cream. Since this is a smaller ice cream than the previous one, let's divide the Play-Doh into 2 chunks. Same goes for the banana Play-Doh. Here's the ice cream stick. And squeeze as hard as you can. Check out our strawberry banana ice cream. Awesome! Cruz, do you want some ice cream? Always! Yummy! Which one of these ice cream would you like to taste? Thanks for watching. See you next time.